It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. We have a Honda DelSol with double exhaust, probably Mugen, yeah, Mugen, or I don't know how you pronounce it properly. Regardless, probably the title of the video already says so, because it's far from being stock. Not only Nangang Air 1 tires, but underneath is a beautiful Testarossa, red head, oh yeah. But not a familiar famous K20 swap, but actually B18. Yeah. So the DC2 Type R, you could say. And it doesn't look stock. We have here exhaust manifold 4-to-1, or is it? Yeah, 4-to-2-to-1.
Yeah, exactly, 4-to-1, yeah.
Yeah, and then we have an intake, it seems.
67mm throttle body.
Nice, BC Racing suspension, but back to the engine. So stock is like what, 180 or so they were making?
Yes, stock is 180.
And this one probably too?
Right now it's 223 at 8500 RPM.
8500 RPM, nice, so 8,500 RPM. So it probably can do even more.
Yes, now it's a little bit limited because we just finished building it, so I don't want to break it, but
of course.
The parts that are in it are, at least the manufacturer, Skunk 2 says, should be capable to get the car up to 10,000 RPM.
Now, shout out to Dave from Skunk 2. I should have worn his t-shirt actually. Maybe I have it here actually, I need to have a look. But sorry, I interrupted you. I got too excited about Skunk 2 parts because I may or may not be getting them for my car. Right.
This engine is full of Skunk 2 parts.
Awesome.
Cams, retainers, valves, the intake, almost everything inside.
So what's the red line then of this? Like
right now it's limited to those 8500.
Oh, okay, all right.
And before I had it to 9.5, but it was like it wasn't like properly tuned, you know, so it did all kinds of stuff. Yeah. But I put in a new ECU. Nice. That has like directly connected coils into the ECU, and now it just runs way smoother. But didn't get it to dyno yet.
All right. So. Well, let's hop in, do a lap. So shift like what, 8.3 or so?
Oh no, go for it. You can go 85.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It's basically the map works the way that it cuts ignition instead of fuel. So it does quite a bit of
pops and bangs.
Yes.
Nice. Nice. All right, let's go. I'm really excited. I think it's the first B18 that's modified that I'm driving, because I've done maybe one, maybe two stock DC2s. Plenty of K20s, K24s, but actually modified B18, that's something else, something new. So yeah, let's go. It's not going to be a DelSol, definitely, I guess. Alrighty, we are on the track. So again, if you skip the intro to this part and you don't know the specs, it's B18 underneath with raised redline 8,500. So what's on the cluster? 7.2 is not the red line. 8.5 is
the very end of the red line. this stock aero, from Civic Aerodeck.
Okay.
And I want to get like Civic Type R, the EK, I think, the first one, transmission, because that's the shortest one you can get.
Yes.
And yeah, it would definitely help.
Definitely help, because this one now some corners were quite often we were in second gear.
Yeah.
Because otherwise in third gear, like, you just
Yeah.
And that was actually quite impressive. So let's see, are they gonna?
Oh, nice, the new exit.
Yeah. Yeah. So the gearing was one thing, but brakes, tires works. Suspension is a bit. I wouldn't say soft, but the back end is like very loose. It's disconnected from the front. So yeah, you can try it with the alignment. You can try it also with the police. Also with suspension settings, but yeah, overall, it's mostly the what's it called? Yeah, the gearbox was for me the biggest issue. Let's say.
Yeah.
You can gain a lot of time just by having shorter gearbox ratio.
Yeah.
But for the rest, really enjoyed it. I mean, it was fun.
Nice.
Definitely fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It works. VTEC always works.